Can you add clickable link in Instagram Reels? In this tutorial, we're going to find out exactly that. So let's just jump right in. First of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you are logged into it. Once you are logged in order to create a new reel on Instagram, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you see at the bottom. So just tap on it. Now, once you are in the reel section, just select any video that you want to add as your reel. So here is a video that I would like to add on my reel. And as you can see, there is no option to add links on your reels. All you can do here is add text. So this is the only option as of now. But if you want this to work out, what you could do is add text here saying link in bio, or you could just add stickers or directly add the link here as well. So let's say if I just want my YouTube link, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in youtube.com, and then I'm going to just type in my channel username like this, and then tap on done. So what happens is it will add the text right here on my video throughout the video like so, and I can adjust the text where I want it like so. And you could also add stickers like link in bio so that people can actually go ahead and click the link. So go ahead and search for link in bio and add the GIF or any kind of stickers like so. Then tap on next and then share this. You could also add here link in bio as your caption so that people are able to click the link. And once you post this, you just need to make sure that the link is actually added to your bio. So let's just head over to our bio here. And as you can see here, there is a Spotify link, but there is an option to add other links as well. So tap on links, tap on add external link. Now you can paste the URL here, youtube.com, and I'm going to add my username. Then once you have done that, just title it YouTube, tap on done, and the link will be added. So if someone clicks on this link, they will be redirected to my YouTube channel. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.